Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you all are all doing great today. Thank you all for your likes, thank you for your comments, and thank you for your subscriptions as well. For today's tutorial, it's all about no makeup, no foundation makeup tutorial. This look that I created today, I did not use any foundation at all, and this is what I came up with. And if you like to see how I achieve this look, please do continue watching. If you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, could you please subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this video, and give me a thumbs up as well. And please, once again, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye. So from this palette by Milani, I used two shades, one as my transition color and the one as the main color, which is like a brown color, but I lost the clip. I don't know how it happens. So I came in with the primer by Black Radiance, which is called the HD Primer Broad Spectrum SPF 15, as in it's 100% oil free. And if your makeup doesn't have a sunscreen already, you actually need to protect your skin during this summertime, and this primer is good to go for because it has an SPF 15. I was actually using the brush, but it wasn't working, so it's more advisable to use your fingers, your hand, to just rub it in. It's a sunscreen, so you need to let it penetrate into your skin. Then I pick up the concealer, also by Black Radiance. I'll put the names of all these products down below. I use that to conceal dark spots that I noticed when I woke up. Like, I've not been sleeping enough because I have so much stuff going on right now, so I have to conceal my dark spots. So I use that concealer to conceal it, and I'll be coming in with, remember, this is a no foundation makeup, and I'll be coming with the BB cream, also by Black Radiance. The shade I'm using, it's called Brown Sugar, and this one has an SPF 15 as well. Remember, I've already used a primer that has an SPF 15, and I came in with a BB cream SPF 15 too, which is going to protect my skin when I go out there in the sun. So to highlight my face, I'll also be using the Black Radiance BB cream as well, but a lighter shade to the first one that I use, and this one is called Coffee Glaze. It has an SPF 15 as well. You know, I just wanted to brighten it up a little bit. You know, even though it's no foundation makeup, I still want to follow all the process, you know, that kind of process that we follow every time we do the regular makeup. So I just applied that as my highlighter. Like I said, I will leave the names of all the products I use. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. She says she want the rundown. Bad man, I mean they run town. Then I tell her, my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man, I mean they run town. One time, say she no one this time. Bad man, me I give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me I give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make it bounce like a hurricane. To set my highlighter, I'll be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. I love the consistency, and I love how it makes my makeup to stay in place throughout the day. I'll give you all the things that nobody can stand. And I'll be coming in with the True Complexion Contour palette, also by Black Radiance, in medium to dark. To set my entire face, I'll be using the pressed powder by Black Radiance as well, and this shade is called Rich Mahogany. I use that to set my entire face. This Black Radiance powder actually gives matte finishing. And the blush I'll be using also is by Black Radiance, and the shade is called Warm Berry. The pencil that I'll be using to line my lips today is one I just picked up from a beauty store. It has no name on it. It's brown in color and I love the shade. That's why I bought it. And the lipstick that will be coming in is also by Black Radiance. I'll put the names of the product that I use down below. Please, if you're interested in knowing the shades or the names or the brands of product that I use in this makeup tutorial, please read my description box down below. And to set my entire face, I'll be using the Clean Color Pro Sealer Makeup Setting Spray that will give me a matte finish. And to highlight my cheekbone, I also pick up the same palette by Black Radiance, the True Complexion Contour palette in shade medium to dark.
Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style.
And this is the concluding part of this no foundation makeup, and I hope you all enjoy watching this. And I'm moving on to the part 2. How else can you enjoy this hot and sunny weather if not by going to the pool or going back to the beach? So this is how I normally dress to the pool. I dress like this and jump right into my car. No matter what style of swimming suit I'm wearing, I always have my cover up and I just drop that and jump into the pool and have my fun. This is how I enjoy my photo shoot for that day. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you all for watching. Stay blessed. Bye.